A policy can erase what bulldozers cannot. The Aravalli Hills were not destroyed, they were redefined. A hill is now defined as land that rises 100 meters higher than the ground next to it. Not how tall it is overall, not how important it is ecologically, just its relative height from the ground, not sea. You know, what cannot be measured easily is often ignored entirely. The Aravallis are ancient, eroded, and low profile, yet ecologically indispensable. Under the new definition, nearly 90% of the Aravalli Hills lose their legal protection. Mining, quarrying, and construction become permissible. The Aravallis are not scenery, they are infrastructure, holding back the Thar Desert, filtering dust before it reaches Delhi NCR, recharging groundwater, and sustaining wildlife corridors across Western India. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, and stuff. Ecosystems do not fail loudly, they fade. Uniformity is convenient, ecology is not. This is not environmental reform, this is administrative erosion. And when nature is weakened on paper, it collapses quietly on the ground. Concerning.